My name is Valery Valeryevich Zyuganov. I have a doctorate in biology, and I am head of ecology and biological systems evolution at the Russian Academy of Sciences. What is the difference between Arctica and other treatments known to the world today? Here we used an approach in nature, in the animal world. Certain species don't age in the traditional sense. There are fish, mussels, tortoises, sperm whales, around 30 species. Some we have studied extensively. What is an ageless species? It is an organism that doesn't lose vitality with age. It doesn't get sick. By contrast, like cognac, with age it improves. Those species become healthier. It sounds like a science fiction, but it's true. Also in the underwater world, many animals live in symbiotic relationships. For instance, fish and mussels that benefit from each other. Salmon go upstream, and after spawning, die very quickly within 2 to 3 weeks. A fast aging process is triggered by reproduction. But some salmon get lucky and swim above a clump of mussels. These famed freshwater pearl mussels that can live up to 250 years release eggs into the water the fish is taking in. It becomes like a second mother. The egg spends approximately a year inside the fish, developing. And to do that, it stops the fast aging process going on in the salmon. In the gills, mussel eggs make a nest like a placenta. It looks like a benign tumor. You can see this is a fish gill, and here's the nest of the freshwater pearl mussel eggs. This one is a cross-section view. The growth is multi-layered and benign. Inside, the mussel eggs develop just like an embryo in a surrogate mother. And here the growth is empty. The baby mussels leave to continue growing on the river floor. This is after 2 days. The baby mussels release fluids that dissolve the growth. Since 1987, we have been testing extracts from these mussels. We've tested them on guinea pigs, mice, rabbits, fish, and dogs from canine units.
We could only revive him with the Arctica that we're using to improve the health of our dogs. At the age of 8, he got electrocuted. His condition was critical. He had heart problems, and his kidneys were failing for 3 days. We gave him Arctica Plus, and he improved very fast. He does his job and is very active ever since.
I have been testing Arctica on myself for several years. Then I offered it to my friends and relatives. Soon after, it was approved as safe to use and moved on to testing on volunteers. What is Arctica exactly? It consists of an extract of ageless species. It is easy to use. The easiest way is to use a disposable syringe to measure the correct amount. We recommend about 10 milliliters every 5 days. Another way to take it, and you can choose which you prefer. For each dose, draw 3 milliliters. Here I have a 3 milliliter syringe. Take the needle off and add it to a pint of water. Shake well to make sure it mixes properly. Don't spill. And then you can drink it any time you want to drink. It doesn't need to be refrigerated. Drink it whenever it is convenient. The second way is to use a small disposable syringe. It usually holds 1 milliliter. Same thing, but this time, draw approximately 25 drops. It's 1/5 of the syringe. This much. Obviously, take the needle off and release it under your tongue. Some tea or warm water beforehand is good to wet your mouth.
Рот перед этим прополоскать чаем или теплой водой.